So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our GBPJPY. So first thing first, we need to know what our trend is. Then we have to trade with the trend. So first thing, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our GBPJPY. So now, if you take a look at this right here, you can clearly see our GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. You can see the market is very much bullish, right? Now, I want you to pay attention to this movement right here, guys. This is our GBPJPY. This right here, markets pushed up, right? Then markets literally came back to tap this low support. Markets eventually pushed up again. Then markets eventually came back again to tap the support zone, right? Markets eventually got to the support zone, rejected, and it bounced up, right? The markets came back again to tap the support zone. Now we will be expecting market to reject and push up again. So this is to tell you that a bullish move next is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. One, this is a support zone. Market is at a support zone. Second, this support zone is a crucial rejection zone. So since we are at the crucial rejection zone, we should expect market to actually reject from the rejection zone. Now, this is markets dropping to tap this level. So we will be expecting market to push up. So let's see with this movement where currently it is now, we should see to grab between 80 to 100 pips for the day. So this GBPJPY should be giving us between 80 to 100 pips for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments and follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.